So here we are in the camper. I want to show you my LED lights. They're really nice, but they are bright. They're for the living area here, and one's for the kitchen right here. I love them, they're good, but they are bright, they're blinding bright. So today I want to put a dimmer switch on each circuit for the living room and the kitchen. And these are the ones we're going to use right here. Got them from Amazon. I don't know, I think they're like 20 bucks or something like that, 20 some bucks. But it looks to be a good product. So I'll show you what it looks like. Show you what you get. You get the instructions. Sorry about the camera moving around. You get the instructions, and I'll tell you how they want it hooked up. There. So you got power coming in, power and ground coming in, and power and ground going back out. Alright, I'll show you how to take it apart, pull the ribbon off, and then mount it on the wall. Alright, let's get going here. Here it is here. That's what it looks like. So you have your on and off button, your down and your up, or you can slide it. Alright. That's what it looks like. Let's get started and see what it's like. It looks like the size of a regular in the house wall or wall plate. Let's get started. I'll show you what we got. So to get this light switch off, you gotta pull one of these things here. The bottom one comes off. We use a small screwdriver. Alright, and that exposes the screws. Can you see that? There's a screw here, 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 and here. Alright. Now you got to open up this case. You see that little square hole right there? You gotta stick the screwdriver in it and turn one way or the other. I don't think I can do this one-handed, but we'll try. And you just twist it, and it pops open. See that? Alright. You're going to see a ribbon right there. Alright. Now, on these electronic pieces, see if you can focus in on this. Alright. See this black piece right here? Okay. That's the lock that holds this ribbon in place. Alright. To do the job, I guess you should take this off. It would make mounting on the wall easier. You want to take it off the front plate, not the back plate. And then what you do is you just gently apply a little pressure to each side of this. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And it'll just open up slightly. See how it's moving back slightly? Take your time. You don't want to ruin anything. See how it just popped open? And then it pops right out. Alright. Then when you put it back in, all you do is slip the ribbon in and push the black piece back in again that way. And it locks it in place. It's as simple as that. Now you take the back side with the ribbon still on, and you see here there's screws inside. You need a small screwdriver. Just back those screws out with a screwdriver, you know, a small screwdriver. Put it in there, back them out counterclockwise. Alright, and it will open these ports in here to insert a wire. You put your wires in one at a time, screw it in tight, not super tight, just snug it down, and then you can make your wire connections at the wall. So we hooked up the wires as per the instructions. One of the hints they give you is to attach wires to the back of this thing first for some extra leads, and then hook them up to your RV wiring. So you got a, sorry about the beeping there, you got a battery power, you got a battery ground, then you have the positive side of the lights and the negative side of the lights, and you just put it together like the instructions say. And let me grab the instructions here, just like the instructions say right there. It's pretty easy to do. Alright, let me see where I can put my hand on this phone. That's not gonna work. Right here, stuff everything back in. And I'll show you how it works. So all you gotta do is come in, touch the button, lights go on. You can touch here, right all the way, some dimmer, okay. You can slide it if you want, where you hit the button exactly where you want it. But wherever you have it last, say I leave it there, okay, wherever you have it last, when you touch it, that's where it'll come back on next time. You just instantly raise it up. It's a nice product. It was easy to do. If you like this, give me a thumbs up.